had to walk out and finish this bird. Good boy, Rocky. Good boy. Come here, bud. Come here. What is it? Here, hold. Leave. Sweet, dude. Oh, crap, right there. Greenhead. See, I wonder if it's because our decoys are so heavy on that side. Did you get him? Yeah. I think we need to shift these. Good boy. Come here, bud. Good boy. Good boy. Get him. Good dog. Hold, leave. Good. Nice. Get him.
You want to come out there and move some?
Yeah. Let's get him closer and then move. Hey, bud. Back. Good boy. All right, Tulsa's fourth bird. Green-winged teal. Kind of shooting a mixed bag today. Rocky's doing pretty good.